What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the LG G8, one of my favorite phones, the US version with the 2 cameras on the back. And I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the big dog, the new kid on the block, supposed to have the best cameras on the planet. Well, let's put these two head to head and see which one is King Supreme. So in this video, I'm going to do daytime only. Daytime only. I'm going to do a separate video for nighttime. But this video here, I'm going to do daytime only. But this video, I'm going to do some in the store still footage so y'all guys can see some kind of low light footage a little bit with both of these devices. Now, y'all guys know how I like to roll. I clean the camera lens. So it's no excuses with both of these devices. No excuses. That's what I'm talking about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. I got the LG G8 and I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the building. So I'm in a different scenery today, right? I'm out here at the lakefront of Louisiana, New Orleans. And I want to do this one out here, so we can see how device is good and how device is bad compared to each other. Now, as y'all guys know, that the LG G8 is my go-to device when it comes down to filming. But can the iPhone take its place? Let's get into it. All right, so let's go and do some focusing, right? And I'm doing this in 4K, and I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. Now, the reason why I kind of move it around on trees like this, because devices have a hard time distinguishing the difference between the background and the foreground. But look at that. Look how beautiful the LG G8 is in the iPhone. Looking at the viewfinder, both of them look outstanding. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. So focusing is probably a tie. But again, I'm looking at the viewfinder. Now, the LG G8, in my opinion, looking at the viewfinder, got the sky a little bluer than the iPhone. Looks a lot natural. All right, so let's go and check the stabilization on both devices as I walk, and let's run. All right, we got optical image stabilization on both devices. Which one go give you the smoother footage as I'm running? Boom, that's what I'm talking about. So let's go into it. We got regular camera lens, and let's see if we can get some of that beach up in there. All right, that's telephoto. I have to pinch in with the LG phone. All right, let's go regular. Let's go back regular. Let's go wide angle. Let's go wide angle. Now here it is. Now look at both of these devices in wide angle. Awesome. See that I got them in my hand, see my shadow? Hey! Alright, so I'm in ultra wide angle lens on both devices. Now, if I need to do telephoto on the LG G8, I just have to pinch. I'm gonna walk up this hill. Alright? I'm gonna go back to regular lens on both devices. Woo! So I'm gonna walk up this hill. I'm gonna give y'all some treats today as I'm doing this. Go up this hill. Boom. All right. Now look at that building there. And wow. Let's see if we can go close up on it. And we're gonna pinch all the way in. All right, see that number 10? Let's see, I'm gonna pinch all the way in. So which one is clearer? I'm telling you, it's a close one. You be the judge for yourself. This is dope. Really dope. Let's go back out. Let's go back out. Boom. All right, let's look at that. Somebody on jet skis. Let's see if we can get that in there. Both devices. Jet skis, look at that. Boom. Awesome. Awesome. Look like the iPhone got it a lot clearer, kept it in focus. Woo, I'm glad I got that on video. Ultra wide angle, ultra wide angle. Look how beautiful that sky is. Let's hit the sun. Sun. All right. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! All right, so this is the front-facing camera of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I got the LG G8 front-facing camera. So let's take a look at it and check out my shirt, Galaxy Note 10. Yeah. So it is what it is. Having some fun. Got the shirt, Galaxy Note 10. Filming with LG and the Apple device. Hey, it is what it is. Hey, I'm not biased to one company. I like to be, unbiased, so I have fun. All right, let's look at the background. As y'all see the background, nice and blue on both devices. Which one? I got the sun beaming all over me, but which one is better, in your opinion? Right? And yeah, there it is. Front-facing camera. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so you can hear the audio on both devices and going from there. I'm having fun, enjoying life. Out here at the lakefront of New Orleans, and just enjoying life and having fun shooting videos with you guys, just enjoying life. All right, this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about both of these cameras in action. See you guys on the next video. Woo, peace. Look at that. This is awesome. I love that. Later.